Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to explain that how you can create a thumbnail related to social media marketing tips.
Attention please, before formally starting this video, in the next few seconds, you will know that my name is Imran and this channel is the right place for you to learn about digital marketing and earning online as an entrepreneur to grow and accelerate fast. If you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit bell icon to access all videos, updates and links in the description box below. Now back to the video.
Okay, and for that purpose, I will use Canva digital tool. I have already created a planning sheet, and as per this planning sheet, my video topic is 5 social media marketing tips for beginners and professionals to make money online. This video is present on my channel. You can watch this video. Thumbnail title: social media marketing tips. This is the title of my video. Include picture. Yes, I will include picture. Text font, I will use whichever text font will be suitable for me. I will use it. Elements, yes, I will use elements, but I will not use these elements. I may use 5 because my heading is 5 social media marketing tips. So I will not write complete sentence. I will just write this idiom, this phrase. Actually, it's not idiom, it's just a sentence. Social media marketing tips. So just I will write this line, social media marketing tips, and I will include element showing symbol of 5. How? I am explaining you here. Okay, to create this type of thumbnail, I am using the new window. I am clicking on create a design. After that, I am clicking on here in the search box and I am writing thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. Okay, now you can see that these are the dimension 1280 into 720. I am clicking here, and now you can see that new window appeared. Now to select the background, I will click on photos, and now I will use any background which is suitable for me. Right now I'm using this one, this Facebook sign. Now I used it. I will right click. I will set image as background. Now this is my background. Now after that I will upload my customized picture. Actually it is already uploaded. I will bring in the canvas. So I want a picture having no background. Canva can automatically remove your background. It's this feature is available, and I have already created a video about this. You can check in one of the playlist which is related to Canva thumbnail. Okay, now which picture is suitable, I will decide. For example, I am using this one. Okay, now it's actually a small picture, so I will use it according to my need, and I can drag it. But if I'm using a small picture, then I have to drag it too much. Okay, anyhow, I am using it to explain to you. Okay, now you can see that this picture is not making sense because F is on my right hand side and this picture is on right hand side. So I will adjust it, and I can adjust it by clicking on flip horizontal. Now you can see that it moved here, so I will bring here. Now it is okay according to me. Now I will write heading. So for that purpose I will click on text. Now I am inserting heading. I will write here social media marketing tips. Social media, first I am selecting, I'm pasting here. This social media, I will insert another heading. So now I will paste marketing tips. Okay, now I can also now adjust it according to my need. Now you can see that both headings are present. Now I can merge them. So I am selecting both, and I'm clicking on group. Now I can move them according to my need. Actually, by mistake I also clicked on the picture. Make sure that only headings should be selected. If you face problem, for example, right now I'm facing problem when I'm selecting these two, it is automatically selecting. So what I will do, I will send this picture. I will send this picture behind, and I will now select these two headings. Okay, now I'm selecting these. I'm grouping them. Now I can move, as you see, and now I am adjusting back this picture, and now I will adjust them according to my need. For example, I am adjusting here, and now I can increase the size as well, because they both are of 50 size. So I am increasing their size. I am making it 72. Let's say how it will look. Also same here, 62 or 64. 64, and this is 72. So I will also select this one as 72. Now both are of same size. Now I can change the color. So I'm clicking on red. I'm clicking here on this color. I think red is better. So both are social media marketing tips. And now I am dragging it further and making it further bigger as per my need. Okay, now I will click on elements, and now I will search 5. Yeah, now I will insert any 5. Okay, and now I will adjust it. One way is that I can send this picture behind. So now social media is on top. So now you can see that it's also looking good, and I made this thumbnail, and now if you want to further drag your picture, you can do it. It's better always use a bigger picture. For example, now I can select another picture if I want. For example, I'm deleting it. I'm again going to the upload, and now I will try to find a bigger picture, because if you will use a smaller picture, then it will create problem for you in dragging. So I am now selecting this one. Okay, I think now it's looking good, and it is also easy to handle this picture. So I'm bringing this in front. Now it will look like this. Okay, so this was my tutorial. I have created this thumbnail, and as you know that I usually do not replicate anything. I try to create a new thumbnail. So I had created this one, and now I have created this one. Okay, hope you understood, and now it's your turn to show your creativity. How you will create, write in the comments box. Thank you very much.
If you found this video useful, then good news is that you can check links of some more valuable videos in the description section, and many more videos are in the pipeline. Hopefully you will remain connected with me, and for that purpose subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. I am also waiting for your feedback in the comment section. Have a nice time.